Hello YouTube, it's Mr. Rivera back again here at the layout. Just want to give you guys a quick update on some of the projects here I've been working on. If you notice here, let's see my genset engine here has it's not really sitting properly on the chassis here. Well, because I ordered some decoders to go in these engines here, and both my gensets and my Athlon P42s you see here, they're all sitting here just waiting for the decoders. I ordered some a couple weeks ago, and I'm still waiting for them to come in. So in the meantime, I got these all separated and they're ready to go. I also happened to find, I'll get these out here and let you see, a bunch of these Soundtraxx TSU 1000s. These are the older Soundtraxx decoders. They're going to be going into the Athlon P42s. I'm going to show you one that I did do already. I'm still waiting on speakers to come in so I can solder these up and then get the P42s. The gensets are getting the MRC drop-in decoders. Those are really nice though. They're not the most accurate and prototypical sound, but they sound pretty decent. I'm gonna let you take a listen to those real quick too, and I'll show you what we're gonna be doing. And you can see, I'm gonna do a panning view here of the entire layout. You can see all the P42s that are here. They're just waiting for the decoders. I already did one already, but there's a whole bunch of P42s there that they're gonna be getting done. And then that will only leave me with two engines that don't have sound, and those are the genset 2s, and I'm going to get ESU low sound for those and two speakers. I only have two of those to do, and then that's it. Then everything I will have sound in it. So I just figured I'd give you a quick update, and so I'll let you take a quick listen of how these the TSU 1000 sound. They're pretty good, and this amazing Soundtraxx Sugar Cube speaker, it sounds really good. So I'll let you take a listen.